Okay, we've reached a truly exciting moment because it's time for you to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. And in order to find out where that is, the easiest way is just to type in Amazon Affiliate Program into Google, just as I've done here. Click on search and it'll be the first one that pops up. Now just click on the link and you come to the main page. There's some stuff here that you might want to read, but I think you kind of get the idea of how this is going to work now. So it's just a question of clicking on this top button here, join now for free. Alright. Now everybody's situation is different depending on where they live and their own personal situation, so me taking you through the process isn't going to help you. It's just going to waste your time really. You just need to go through it yourself, okay, carefully. Now it's reasonably involved, okay, it'll take you a few minutes to go through this, and they do ask quite a few questions because at the end of the day they want to make sure that you are who you say you are, and let's not forget they're going to be paying you at some point, so they want to make sure that that money's going to the right place. Now a lot of the questions that they ask you can edit at a later stage, you know, with your profile, etc. So don't get too concerned if you can't answer them all perfectly straight off the bat, okay? Just go through the process and you will see that within probably 10 or 15 minutes you've got your Amazon affiliate program set up. So let's have a look and see what it looks like once you have actually signed up. Alright, so here I am signed in after I've set everything up, and you can see it's a very nice professional looking interface. The first thing you see is the dashboard, alright, which has basically got pretty much everything you need to know. So here's my earnings overview. Clearly this is just a demo account, alright, so you know, one click, etc. But that would be my earnings and all this kind of thing. There's my summary for the month and bits and pieces of recommended, but not that much use, to be honest. The thing that's of real use is this product linking, and we're going to visit this in very shortly. So this is all about getting those links that you can put on your site, you know, that they click on and will be sent to Amazon so that you get paid. This is the key part, all right? Now the other part, and take your time with all these other things, you know, tools and reporting, that's all great as well. The other part I draw your attention to is up here, okay? So when I was talking before just now about if you didn't fill in absolutely everything correctly, or you need to go back and fill in bits and pieces, you're going to find all of that stuff up here in your account settings. But otherwise it's a very intuitive, very straightforward interface, and we're going to start delving into it in more detail as the course progresses.